Good day everyone. I am Sherwin Siricanya and you can call me Sher. I live in Poblacion 3, Picawayan, North Cotabato. Our community is peaceful and friendly. The people are helpful and family-oriented. I come from a simple and loving family. My father is Erwin Ricanya and my mother is Eileen Ricanya, and they manage a small business. I have one sibling. Even though we live a simple life, my family always teaches me the value of hard work and respect. I graduated from Picawayan National High School. My school helped shape who I am today. It provided not only academic knowledge but also values such as discipline, responsibility, and confidence. I'm currently taking up College of Information System. I choose this course because it develops my skills in computer, which are important in today's digital world. I expect this course to help me develop more of my skills, gain knowledge, and prepare me for my career. I enrolled at Southern Christian College because of its good reputation, quality education, and strong values. I was influenced by my friends. I believe in SEC can help me grow academically, morally, and socially, and prepare me to become a responsible and competent individual. My goal in life is to become a successful. I plan to achieve this through dedication, hard work, and continuous learning. I know there will be challenges such as pressure and self-doubt, but I believe this will only make me stronger 10 years from now. I see myself as a successful individual helping my family. Thank you for taking the time to get to know me. This is Sherwin, hoping to grow, learn, and succeed with Southern Christian College. Thank you and God bless.